Hey y'all, Joe here at Southern Coastal Cooking. I want to do a quick little unboxing video for you guys tonight. Got a little package in the mail here, and just doing a mail call video. So let's take a look here. What this is, what we got. Love getting surprises in the mail. Okay, we got some of this green bubble wrap stuff here, whatnot, little address thing. Okay, what's this? A Cajun Life Hush Puppy Mix. Cool. Okay. Oh, good. Some hush puppies. Oh, wow. The Cajun Life chicken fry. Okay. Always like some good Cajun style chicken fry, y'all. It's always good. Looks like these are Cajun Life products here. I know they've got a website. I've seen that. They got some fish fry right here. I'll be using that here pretty soon with this good new seafood connection I got. Oh, seafood burl. Oh, yeah. Okay. Let's see what else they sent us. A chicken rub. Oh, they got some rubs. You know, I love my rubs. They've got a blackening rub. Awesome. Okay. I've got a mesquite rub. Barbecue stuff. All this Cajun certified. This is made in products of Louisiana. All-purpose Cajun seasoning. See where this stuff is. Blended and packaged in Louisiana for Cajun Life LLC. Okay. And last but not least, a seafood rub. Awesome. Well, looks like we'll be having to test out some of these Cajun Life products here on the channel. This is cool that we got all this stuff, and yeah, just want to stop in and say, hey, do y'all do a mail call, opening stuff? I always love to do that on camera for you. So hope y'all have a good night. Thank y'all so much, and y'all God bless. Please like my videos, sub my channels. I'm gonna have something coming to you this weekend. Okay, some more cooking stuff.